Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure float for capacity planning across projects, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open float and log into your account. Go to the Projects tab on the dashboard. Click on the project you want to configure for capacity planning. Navigate to the capacity section of the project settings. Review the current resource allocation for your team. Identify any team members who are over or under allocated. Adjust the availability settings for each team member as needed. To do this, select the individual's name and modify their working hours. Next, assess the tasks assigned across all projects. Use the workload view to visualize allocations across different projects. Check for any overlapping deadlines or conflicts. Create a prioritization strategy to manage overlapping tasks. Utilize the tagging feature to categorize tasks by priority or project. Ensure each task has estimated hours assigned for better planning. Use the filter options to display tasks by team member or project. Analyze the overall workload for each resource. If necessary, redistribute tasks among team members to balance the workload. Set up custom views for different teams if needed. This will help track progress and assignments more easily. Review the project timelines to synchronize capacity planning with deadlines. Make adjustments to the timelines based on resource availability. Regularly revisit the capacity settings as projects progress. Update any changes in team availability or project priorities. Utilize reporting tools to analyze capacity planning effectiveness. Generate reports to identify trends or recurring issues in resource allocation. Communicate with your team to gather feedback on workload distribution. Use insights gained to refine your capacity planning process over time. With these configurations set, you're well on your way to efficient capacity planning across projects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.